Good morning, everybody. Tom here at Classy Chassis Trucks and Auto Body. Just going to do a video here of a new 2019 F-550 we just completed. It's due to be picked up today. Go to the new owner. So as you can see here, it's a stone color, and we've added a lot of options. We've got the chrome aero skin to protect the front of the hood. We've painted the front fender flares. They come originally in just black. We've added painted to match window vent shades. We've also tinted the windows. We put a sunshade at the top of the window to keep the sun glare from coming in at you. You see we did a really nice pinstripe on here. Take a look at the pinstripe. We've added stainless steel running boards. And then of course our aluminum RV hauler body with the stainless steel hinges, aluminum fuel door, all LED lighting here on the bed. You got your fold down stainless steel steps here. We've got the extra auxiliary lighting, we call it bed lighting. So you can just flip a switch inside, light up the whole back of the truck. Got your Hensley trailer saver air ride hitch. Auxiliary fuel tank. We did our spray and bed liner on the inside of the bed and on the top of the bumper. We've got our mini tailgate. You can see the backup camera there just above the license plate frame. To the left of the license plate frame is the plug for the rear hitch, which is, you see the cover there for it. The right of the license plate frame is the spare tire crank access door. And then we've got another plug inside the bed for the fifth wheel. And we have 4 Mac tie downs, one at each corner. We've got our mud flaps, stainless steel exhaust tips. Beautiful truck. Anxious for the customers to come see this one. I think they're going to like it. All right, so there's a look at the new F-550 hauler. If you have any interest in anything like this, give us a ring here at Classy Chassis, 219-462-5536. You can also go to our website to get our contact information and look at a few photos, which is classychassistrucks.com or rvtrucks.com. Thanks for watching. Hope to hear from you soon.